Schedule posts on Instagram or Facebook. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to schedule posts for Instagram or Facebook. You can choose to post on both or just one. I'll guide you through each step. Enjoy this type of content? Check out other related videos on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always creating videos to help you out. In the address bar, type business.facebook.com. After logging in, select the BM you want to use. If you have multiple BMs, click here to choose the right one. Once in the correct BM, click on the planner option. Here, choose the day you want to schedule for. So, I'm going to choose December 24th, a Tuesday. I'll click on Schedule down here. Here you select what you want to schedule. Post, story, reel, live stream, or ad. I want to post, so I'll click the first option, Schedule a Post. Here you choose the day and time for your post. As you can see, it's already suggested a day and time. I'll keep it at 10 a.m. on December 24th. It also shows when your audience is most active. For me, it's 7 p.m. today, tomorrow, or the 25th. Since it's Christmas, I'll set it early on the 24th, Christmas Eve. You can schedule for Facebook, Instagram, or just one. I'll click Save here. Up here, choose Facebook only, Instagram only, or both platforms. I want both. Here you can add a video or photo to schedule an ad. I've already created the art and post for the ad. I'll click here on Add Photo. Then I'll click Upload from Desktop to find the photo. So, I've chosen the photo. Here you can add text to this post. I've used ChatGPT to create text for me. I'll copy with Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+V. It will appear down here. Scheduling options for Facebook and Instagram are set. Next, folks, just click Schedule below. Here you choose your audience. Set if everyone or only select people can see it. You'll choose the age range here. Who can see this post you've made? Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap up here. Take care, everyone. God bless you. Thanks.